Hey everyone, welcome back to Full Circle Trader. So today's session was kind of in favor of both the bears and bulls. So we have entire day when prices have moving down, and then at the end of the session, prices did show some rally to the upside. We have kind of a mixed day here, and if you watch closely, both the bodies of these two candles have closed within this big range of bearish red candle. So that suggests that prices have contracted, the range has contracted, and maybe we'll see a nice breakout on Monday morning. So, this is one of the very proper way or appropriate way to see that how indicators do work and why do I use the moving averages on my chart. So if you can see that we have a very nice upward sloping 20 period moving average, and prices did open here, they rallied to the upside, and then maybe at some point here, because if you have watched my previous videos, I have mentioned that we are near to this daily resistance here. Let me use the pen here. So we are, near this resistance area here, and maybe because of that, we have seen this, bearish price movement, and we saw some bit of selling here today as well. Prices did came back down, but as in when they catch up with the rising 20 MA, we have seen some upside momentum. So that was one of the locations to go long, in Nifty. And so this video will keep it limited only to the Nifty because there are a lot of people who have been asking how to take the trades on, particularly in Nifty because it's a index of 50 stocks, so the volatility as compared to Bank Nifty is a little less, and the volume is on the higher side. So we'll keep it on the keep it limited to the Nifty chart. So we have seen the upside momentum here. However, we have the support at this level, but prices did catch up with the moving average and showed some bit of rally at this point in time. So let me just clear this all for you. Okay. So what to do on Nifty for Monday? So it looks like they're on 15-minute and even on 16-minute, this rally has been just started. So we might see an upside momentum. We might see a gap down. I'm sorry, the gap up price action on Monday. And the most important point to be noted here is the India VIX, which has even gone down below the 16. So now we are in a safer zone to go long in the market. If you remember, just few days back, this India VIX was around 20 plus, and even it has touched 21. So now coming back down to 15 is an indication that the buyers are getting aggressive in this market gradually. So no short trades from my side except the scalping, and that too only when you have the appropriate bearish pattern, a very strong pattern that suggests that market will surely go down. So let me just remove this pen here. Okay. So if you look at the 2-minute chart, which is like one of our favorite time frame for the scalping trades. So where do we have the opportunities here? So as you know, I usually consider the failure patterns as an indication to go short in the market, and this was like one of the failure patterns. And if you see, prices have rallied back, they pull back to the rising moving average, and then prices rally. Now just think for a while, about this candle here. When this candle was, moving to the upside, and it was at its high, it was a complete green candle. But then eventually selling increases, and it became a topping tail bar. Now just below this, we can buy puts. That's a very nice, failure pattern that suggested to the downside. Now, if we just measure it, so if we have buy the puts below this bar, it would have given us very nice 30 odd points. If we trail it, if we have trail till the high of this point, it is a nice 25 points. And why this bar? Because this bar has taken out the highs of the previous bars. right? And this was a very strong bullish bar when it was at its high. So that suggested or might shaking you up. So that's a nice place to just close the trade and come out of it. Then we have again, if you have not taken the trade here, this is again a very nice failure pattern. Then we have a pattern here. Then we have a very nice one minus 180 reversal pattern here that suggested that price will go to the downside. So these are few of the locations where we could have taken the trade. Let me just clear this all out. Okay. So to me on Monday, if we see gap of opening, then probably we'll buy the calls here uh, because prices have spent enough time to this resistance area. That means that all that supply which is coming in, the buyers are gradually consuming all that supply, and that suggests that we might see nice nice price momentum to the upside. So that's in the Nifty chart, and even the lower time frames or the intraday time frames like the 60-minute and the 15-minute do suggest the same scenario. So the bias that I have personally is neutral to bullish, and I think as we get a proper failure pattern on the downside, meaning a bearish failure pattern, we will definitely go long for a swing trade. For a scalping trade, I have already, mentioned it many of times that scalping is in the 2-minute time frame. So you can take the clue from the 15-minute or the 60-minute. So if you have the extended time frame. Now, what do I mean by the extended? So if you can see, yesterday we have a very nice wide range bar. We call it bullish wide range bar or plus wide range bar that suggested that prices will move up. And then we have one, two, three, four, prices in a row that move to the upside. Now, when you have, a price action like this, where the prices kept moving in one direction, that suggests that prices might pull back or will go in the other direction or might consolidate for some time. Because just think about it. People, those who have bought the Nifty here, because this was the 60-minute or the 60-minute or the hourly support area, which we can see here, the minor support on the 60-minute time frame. And when prices pull back to the 60-minute support area, prices did rallied up. Now, those who have bought it yesterday would definitely try to jump out of the trade on the first indication of this selling, and that is what has happened. So, which is why I say that always try to buy on support and sell on the resistance. Now, why this selling has came here, we do not have any clue on the 15-minute or on the 60-minute time frame, but the daily chart does suggest that as and when the prices move above this selling bar, the high of this selling bar, the selling came back again, right? So I'm on the bullish side as of now. If I get any strong bearish setup, I would definitely go short or buy puts. However, for the swing trade, I'm on the bullish side as of now. So that's about it in this short analysis on Nifty. Hope you have enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe the channel, and we'll catch you soon. Till then, take care. Good night.